Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do our first cook on the Hellrazr Yama. We're going to be spatchcocking a chicken and we're going to be smoking it over some very interesting flavour pellets. Let's cook. We're going to set up our Hellrazr Yama with a full basket of charcoal. We've got one of Dutchy's natural fire starters. We're just going to light that and get this charcoal started. So here we've just got a simple store-bought chicken. I've spatchcocked it. I'll put a link above to show you how to do that. Next we're just going to rub it with some Uncle Steve's competition bird. These are the wood pellets we're going to use. As you can see, they're infused with fresh oregano. Just sprinkle them over the charcoal. We'll insert our baffle plate. We're going to cover the baffle plate with aluminium foil. We'll get our racks in. And we'll drop our chicken on. So I expect this cook to take about 2 hours. The Yama's running at 120 degrees C, that's approximately 250 F. On our forum, that's woodsmokeforum.uk, I always recommend that people cook a chicken first on any new piece of equipment, just to get to know how it handles. And after an hour and 50 minutes, our chicken has reached 74 degrees C, that's 165 F. Look at the beautiful colour on this chicken. Got a nice mahogany type colour. We'll get this off onto a board and we'll get it resting. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. Just click the subscription button below. So there's our chicken. What we're going to do now is just cover it in some foil and let this rest for about 25 minutes. At the beginning of the cook we had a full basket of charcoal. This is what we've got left. So I reckon a 2 hours cook at 120 degrees C, we've used 2/3 of a basket. So let's get this chicken carved. First of all we're going to take a leg off. That's still nice and moist, that chicken is. We'll take the other leg off. Separate the two breasts. Just look at that. This is Dutchy's low and slow smoked chicken using Uncle Steve's shakes and some oregano wood pellets. That chicken is absolutely amazing. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.